Hello, Mr. Traders. Today we talk about technical analysis tools. First, I start moving average. This is moving average parameters table. If I use hour time frame, I added there 8 because daily working hour are 8. Levels we talk about the next visualization. Our moving average show other time frame. Okay, this is moving average. For example, when I use moving average, why I use moving average? Answer. It is my opinion. I use moving average support and resistance price. I determine support and resistance price, and moving average says that when change trends. For example, when price go and when price go up or down. Okay, we start there. This price 1.223. This is resistance price and moving average there. Price break out this resistance and price go up, and then create support resistance 1.228. If price break out this support, price go down. But for example, you say that when price break out or when price down or up, when, for example, price break out moving average and two candle be formed upper moving average, price go up. Two candle, first candle, second candle, price go up. Then when price are down, when price break out moving average, then two candle, these candles first and second candle are created, then price go down. Price break out moving average and two candle created, then price go down. This strategy use daily. For example, I use this strategy on daily 20 point. For example, 34 created and go 25 point. Maybe you earned daily 20 point, 20 pips, maybe. For example, there breakout two candle be formed and then out. Wow, 126 pips. Just so good 2 days. Then price breakout resistance price. Two candle be created and then price down. Wow, 76 pips. Very good. There, price breakout, but isn't be created two candle. First is created and then second is not created. Press down. There, price breakout, but one candle is created and then second candle is not created. Dear traders, all information is my opinion, is my practice. Maybe you earn profit, maybe not. Thanks for your attention. Good luck.